Il-Prim Ministru u l-Ministru tal-Edukazzjoni aġixxew b'etika u qatt m'għamlu pressjoni lill-Kummissjoni sabiex tagħti l-liċenzja tal-Università lill-American University of Malta. Iddikjara dan Martin Scicluna, iċ-Chairman tal-Kummissjoni Nazzjonali għall-Edukazzjoni Avvanzata u Ogħla, li tenna li ma kienx hemm intħil.
I've had absolutely no pressure applied to me. I was allowed, together with the rest of my board, to get on with making this decision on its merits.
L-investiment ta' 120 miljun euro ra kritika qawwija fosthom mill-Partit Nazzjonalista. Però l-implikazzjonijiet politiċi ma influenzawx id-deċiżjoni ta' proċess trasparenti li dam madwar 14-il xahar.
While the board and the commission was deeply aware of the political implications of this decision, it was not influenced in any way, shape or form by the politics. The whole approach was to make our decision based on an objective, evidence-based assessment of the evidence before us.
Scicluna saħaq li d-deċiżjoni għandha tfisser it-tmiem tal-kontroversja li nħolqot dwar dan il-proġett. Assigura li l-Kummissjoni analizzat il-programm edukattiv tal-Università filwaqt li kumpanija tal-awditjar qabdet tagħmel awditjar tal-assi tal-investituri.
But on the question of the educational side, then they should have no concern, because what we have done has been so rigorous and so thorough that really we should be assured, and this is the assurance I'm giving, that subject to the conditions we have laid down being met, then that should be the end of the matter. Of course, this being Malta, it probably will not be the end of the matter.
Żied jgħid li dan il-proġett se jkompli jsaħħaħ il-kunċett ta' pluralizmu fl-edukazzjoni.
But I believe that it fits in very well with the government's policy to encourage the internationalization and pluralism of education, higher education in Malta. And this fits very well with that agenda.
L-Università Amerikana f'Malta se jkollha 5 fakultajiet: Fakultà tal-Arti, tax-Xjenza u l-Arti, in-Negozju u l-Immaniġġjar, tat-Teknoloġija tal-Informatika u tal-Inġinerija.